Having copper mining as one of the major economic and high revenue generation sectors, Zambia, a southern African country, also making itself available on the African continent through a number of sectors, assisting the country in thriving to move forward, no matter the consequences. As infrastructural development can't be left out in seeing a progressing economy of a country, putting in place a number of mega projects is very important for Zambia, as they are key enhancers of its economic growth and development. In this video, let's put focus on these mega projects Zambia is coming up with from 2024 through 2025 and on. United Capital Fertilizer Plant Project. Being constructed by United Capital Fertilizer Company Limited, Zambia, this urea and ammonia fertilizer plant is being constructed in Lusaka's Chilonga district. With a total cost of over $600 million, the plan will have a production capacity of 480,000 tons of fertilizers annually, including 300,000 tons of urea and 180,000 tons of ammonia. As Zambia imports its bulk fertilizers to cover up its domestic agricultural demands, the project will cut the importation of fertilizers and also reduce the local cost of these fertilizers. The project construction is under One Engineering Company, which specializes in the management and construction projects in the chemical industry. Trans-Zambezi Railway Extension Project. This project involves the construction and extension of the Trans-Zambezi railway line from Grootfontein to Katima, Mulilo through Rundu in Namibia. Being part of the multinational railway line between Namibia and Zambia through the Zambezi region, the line on the Zambian side will include a 200 km Livingston, Kazungula, Sesh-Eki line construction, plus the 800 km Solwezi, Kayoma, Sesh-Eki line construction. The major aim of this project is to link new mines and mining activities to the railway network along the Walvis Bay, Ndola, Lubumbashi Development Corridor, enabling transportation of minerals from the Copper Belt to Walvis Bay. Lake Tanganyika, Zambia Development Project. Being formulated within a framework of the Zambian Long-Term Vision 2030, the project aims at protecting the ecological integrity of the Lake Tanganyika Basin and improve the quality lives of the basin population by providing the essential economic infrastructure and support to sustainable livelihoods of the people. The project covers two districts, that is, Mpulungu and Sama districts, which are within Lake Tanganyika catchment area and the zone of influence of its basin. The project, after its completion, is expected to improve fish supply in weight and value up to 25% for the beneficiaries. The project will also promote wider adoption of sustainable land, forest and water management practices and technologies to reduce land degradation, deforestation and increase agricultural production. With an estimated total cost of $29.62 million, the project will facilitate the conservation and preservation of both wildlife and unique heritage resources in the area, specifically the national park, which will increase foreign exchange earnings through tourism among others. Ngonye Falls Hydroelectric Power Plant Project. This 180 megawatts hydroelectric power plant will be located on the Zambezi River in the western province of Zambia and is expected to generate an average of 830 gigawatt-hours of electricity annually, which will be available for over 200,000 Zambian households. This run-of-the-river power generation plant will help strengthen and also stabilize the Zambian power network by reducing flows and losses from the south to the west of the country, and will also support the Zambian government's policy of electricity exportation to neighboring countries. The facility will connect to the national electrical grid through a 110 kilometers, 330 kilovolts transmission line to Sesheke on the border with Namibia. The project will be the largest private investment in Western Zambia. Oxygen Pressure Swing Absorption Plant Project. Being under a 5-year medical oxygen strategic plan worth $1.6 billion, this project of an oxygen generation plant is to be constructed at Kitwe Teaching Hospital, with financing coming mainly from Sweden and UNICEF. This facility is under United Nations Office for Project Services, or simply UNOPS, aiming at strengthening Zambia's health system. Being a first ever 5-year national medical oxygen strategic plan from 2022 to 2026, the strategic plan development was supported by Programme for Appropriate Technology in Health, or simply PATH. This Kitwe plant, which is specifically worth $1.7 million, will serve 5 districts in Copperbelt Province, including Kitwe Teaching Hospital and 40 health centers in Kitwe District. Being expected for completion in mid-2024, the plant operators will be trained on basic maintenance and operations of the PSA oxygen plant to ensure sustainability. Java Foods Modern Factory Project. Located in Zambia's multi-facility economic zone, Java Foods Limited, a leading instant noodles producer in Zambia, is coming up with this modern factory worth $6.5 million. Java Foods Limited, which produces instant pasta cereal and seasonings including household names like Tesy Noodle, will use this factory to create more than 200 jobs. Java Foods Limited is a local Zambian registered company and is a leading manufacturer, distributor and marketer of branded nutritious food products made from locally sourced raw materials for the Southern African market. The factory will sit on over 4.76 hectares of land and is positioned to service local, regional and international markets. Itezhi-Tezhi Power Plant and Transmission Project. This project of power production involves the construction, operation and maintenance of a 120 megawatts base load hydropower plant at the Itezhi-Tezhi Dam on the Kifu River in Zambia, plus a transmission line to evacuate the power to the proposed Mumbwa and Lusaka West substations. The transmitted power will be evacuated through a 140 kilometers, 220 kilovolts single circuit line to a new substation at Mumbwa and a 130 kilometers, 330 kilovolts double circuit line from Mumbwa to Lusaka West substation.